What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the Cover Buddy Folio by the company Switch Easy. This is for the iPad Pro 11. Let's check them out. So I was able to get my hands on two of these. This is the Cover Buddy Folio. Comes in white and comes in black. Now, let's do a little real estate first. It's by the company Switch Easy. First off, you get that nice branding logo right there up front. You have a nice matte finish on here. You got microfiber lining on both sides on the inside, so you're not going to hurt the back or the front of that screen. You actually have 3 standing angles, which we'll check out once we get the iPad in there. You actually have another spot down here. If you can see this, this is where your pins will actually pop in at. Now, it doesn't connect to anything, but it's just so that your pins don't get mashed when you close this up. So they thought of everything when they put this case together. You got camera cutout, you got a spot for your pencil right here, and durable back as well. So you got 360 degrees of protection with this folio right here. So this is the white one right here, same exact thing, same exact case. Okay, just a different color. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try on just one of these because we don't have to do both, same thing. Got my iPad right here. I'm gonna drop this in, get rid of Siri, and there we go. So you actually have the 3 standing angles, one right there, one right there, one right there. You get Switch Easy logo on the inside. Close that up. Auto sleep wake is a go. Let's check it out one more time. Auto sleep wake. There we go. Apple Pencil is nice and protected. Still magnetic through that case. It's nothing hindering it. It's directly on the iPad itself. So the biggest things that I always worry about is number 1, the protection. Then number 2, the auto sleep wake. Number 3, being able to store my Apple Pencil. And this case fits all the criteria. And it even leaves a spot for your camera back here. It's nice and protected in that recess right there. So all of our ports at the bottom match up as well as our grills and things at the top. So this is a nice case. It does everything that it's supposed to do. It's protective. It stores my pencil. It gives me the auto sleep wake functionality. It's a decent case and I like it. A big thumbs up to the company Switch Easy. The price on this one is going to be about 29 bucks, but I think it's well worth it for this folio case right here. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.